In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to play London Boys by Johnny Thunders off of the So Alone record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. Alright, so the song opens up with a D power chord, played like this. And there's a second guitar. Steve Jones is playing, and he plays basically the same thing. And then it goes into the verse, which is also power chords. And it starts off with A, then B, then D. And it goes like this. And then it goes into a palm muting section where it plays more like this. That last note is an E. And then it repeats the verse. And that's basically it for the verse. Pretty simple, all power chords. Then it goes into the chorus, which starts in D, goes to a high E, and then down to an A. And the last time through it goes to a B, and up to that high E again. So again, the chorus all the way through. And then after each chorus, there's different leads that Johnny Thunders plays. And the first one goes like this. So you're going to be playing a bend with your index finger on the 5th fret of the B string and your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. So you do that bend a couple more times. And then you're going to do a pull off. And then the second solo is going to start off with a more Chuck Berry style bend. You're going to bridge your index finger over the 5th fret of the B and E string and bend with your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. So that it plays that several times, and then you're going to do this descending pattern that goes like this. So one more time. Then the second part goes like this. One more time. And then the last part goes like this. Again. So to break that last part down, because it's a little tricky, you're going to do your Chuck Berry bends. And then you're going to slide up with your ring finger up to the 7th fret of the B string. And then you're going to hit the 5th fret of the high E string with your index finger. So then bend up on that 7th fret. Hold that bend. And then hit that 5th fret again of the high E string with your first finger. So. Then you're going to hit that 7th fret as you bring it down, that bend down. So. And then you're going to end on that 5th fret. So again, it's. That's it for the solo. At the very end, there's some like ad-libbing that's kind of hard to hear on the outro. Again, it's in about the same position. It's like there's like bends like that. Like there's just kind of random stuff like that. And then remember also in between like the verses and choruses, there's lots of dive bombs like. So it's. So that's it for this one. I hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll post the link for the tab to this song in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.